Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. We have a abundance of mid and high level clouds that have rolled through the area this morning, but we are going to see high pressure building into the region as we go through the day today, so we should see mostly sunny skies by this afternoon. Looking at the conditions from yesterday, we see temperatures pretty wide ranging across the board. Yesterday, 57 degrees in Baltimore for a daytime high, and all the way up to 78 degrees in Norfolk. So pretty wide range in temperatures across the area, but pretty nice overall. As you can see, those temperatures well above normal for this time of year, up to 66 degrees for our daytime high here at Wallops. Overnight last night, the temperatures falling into the 40s for most locations, 48 degrees the overnight low here at Wallops. And as of the last 24 hours, we see some precipitation throughout the area. Trace report here at Wallops up to 0.12 of an inch at Norfolk. As of 9 a.m., temperatures warming quite nicely through the region. 49 degrees as of 9 a.m. here at Wallops under partly sunny skies, mostly cloudy to partly sunny skies across the area, with those temperatures warming up pretty nicely. We're going to see above normal temperatures once again for us today, as those temperatures should be in the low 60s here at Wallops. Looking at our sounding information from our balloon release this morning, the winds generally out of a northwest direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, becoming westerly in direction as we go up to about 25,000 feet. We see a west wind at 71 knots. Freezing level was at 9,200 feet. Infrared satellite showing all that mid and upper level cloudiness streaming through the area this morning, but as we push through the late morning and into the afternoon hours, those clouds will give way to more sunshine into the afternoon hours. We'll see a little bit of cloudiness still here and there during the afternoon hours, but really seeing that cloud deck clear out as we go into the overnight hours tonight, where we are expecting mostly clear skies as that high pressure begins to build in from the west. You can see that high pressure here located across the central U.S. that's going to be pushing closer to the eastern seaboard as we go throughout the day today. Still, again, some moisture in that mid to upper level portion of the atmosphere that will be moving off the coast as we go throughout the day today. But that high pressure should provide us with some very nice conditions as we go through the next couple of days. Looking at the forecast maps here as we go through Wednesday and into the middle portion of the week, progressing from tonight, looking at the high pressure again nosing its way in a little farther toward the eastern United States, and then really settling into the region as we go into the day on Tuesday. We'll see that pressure gradient pretty tight as we go through the morning and afternoon hours of Tuesday before that high really centers over top of the Wallops region, and as a result we'll see some breezy conditions for your Tuesday, looking at those gusts potentially up to around 20 to 25 knots at times tomorrow. So just a slight chance that we may have to issue a wind advisory for those gusty northwesterly winds. Looking ahead toward the middle of the week, we're going to see the clouds increasing once again by Wednesday evening. We'll start out the day partly cloudy. Wednesday night, though, we'll see more cloudiness as we'll see a return flow as that high pressure moves off the coast, getting more of a southerly flow, and seeing those clouds begin to make their way into the region for Wednesday night. So looking at the next 24 hours, green chart across the board with no hazards expected here. We'll see partly cloudy skies this afternoon, mostly clear skies tonight. That temperature will be falling into the mid-30s tonight, so a cooler night expected than what we saw last night, with those winds dying as well. Looking at a low temperature of 36 degrees tonight after getting up to around 61 degrees for our daytime high temperature today. Looking at VFR conditions expected over the next 24 hours. Again, no hazards to speak of, any kind of chances for any hazards until tomorrow, when we could see the potential for those winds over 25 knots with the breezy conditions expected for your Tuesday. Will also be cooler for Tuesday, temperatures running about 10 degrees cooler than what we see today, high of 50 degrees expected, and then a cool night expected for Tuesday night, going down potentially below freezing, forecasted low of 30 degrees for Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And then for Wednesday, we'll see partly cloudy skies with those clouds increasing throughout the afternoon, mostly cloudy skies during the afternoon hours with a high temperature of 52 degrees. So for the next 7 days, we're going to see dry conditions continuing on into Thursday, where we'll see warming conditions as well after a brief cool down on Tuesday with our high temperature only expected of 48 degrees. We will see those temperatures warming to about 61 degrees on Thursday ahead of a front that will be moving through the area on Friday. Looking at a high temperature on Friday of 64 degrees as we'll see these showers moving in with the passage of a cold front into our region. So looking like a pretty good bet that we'll see those rain showers, maybe even an embedded rumble of thunder for Friday, as we'll see some more instability work into our region as well. And then as we go into the weekend, we will see temperatures cooling off once again under mostly sunny skies. As that front passes through, we'll see high pressure rebuilding over the area and see temperatures generally running about 55 degrees for Saturday and into the upper 40s for Sunday under mostly sunny conditions. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.